Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will going to design a simple flower pot with the help of Solidworks. Actually in this video I will show you how to use flex command. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start this video. So first select new and select a part and go to OK. Select dimension millimeter mmgs and select a plane white and go to sketch, go to front plane. Okay, get sketch and select a center line. Okay, right button and select. Again select a line. Again select a line. Okay, select right button. Okay, again select a spline. One click, two click here, three click here, and four click this point. Okay, now I have to need a dimension, this spline. So go to smart dimension. Select this point and this point, 30 millimeter. Again select this point and this point, vertical distance between this point and this point, vertical distance 60 millimeter. Sorry, 70 millimeter. Okay, this vertical line distance 300 millimeter. Okay, now I have to need another dimension this point and this point 200 millimeter. Okay, now this case is straight between 2.60 millimeter. Okay, but now another dimension, this point to this point 76 millimeter. I have to need another dimension, so select again smart dimension, this point and this center line. This distance actually 16 millimeter, so I have to need 30 millimeter. So edit this dimension. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch and go to feature and revolve boss command. Okay, select OK. Yes. Okay, automatically select this line. So go OK. Again I have to go front plane. Select spline. Select this point, third point and fourth point here. Okay, now I have to need smart dimension again. Select this point and this point 76 millimeter. Select this point, vertical. Okay, this point already select. So again select another dimension, this point and this middle point 225 millimeter. Okay, and between this point and this corner point 20 millimeter. Okay, I have to need some another distance, this point to this midpoint. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Go to feature and sweep brush command. Here select circular path and select this circular path to select this spline. This is spline. Okay, but here I have to need 40 millimeter circular path. Okay, so select along with mid face. Okay, this face is parallel. Go select OK. Okay, here I have to need circular pattern. Okay, select this circular path and select 12 circular equal space. So select OK. Okay, complete this flower pot. So I have to need shell command. Okay, shell face, select this face and shell 4 millimeter. Select OK. Okay, this shell is complete now. This pot is complete now. But I have to need fillet command. Select this face and select fillet radius. This radius 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay. Again select a fillet command. So here remove this sharp edge. Okay, select this face and here select 2 millimeter. Okay, go to OK. Now we will go to flex this pot. So I have to use flex command. So go to insert and feature and go. Okay, scroll this flex command. Okay, select this face, upper face. This face is fixed. One face is fixed and another face is rotated. So fixed face. So select this fixed plane. Okay, this is the fixed plane and this is moving plane. This is fixed and this is moving. Okay, select rotate angle. I have to select rotate angle 90 degree. Okay, so upper plane is fixed and lower plane is rotate. Go OK. This flex body is complete now. Okay, go to appearance now and select this body. Okay, delete this and scroll down. Now select nice color. Let's select this color. Okay, this color is nice, looking very good. Okay, select OK. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more update.